Welcome to our Mechanical Graphics 2 presentation for the Bucket Loader project. This project was developed by Karim Islam, Ahmed Walid, and Mahmoud Adel. Our objective was to design a robust mechanism capable of heavy material transport while maintaining structural integrity. Our idea development followed a strict engineering workflow. We moved from initial literature review and market benchmarking directly into the CAD design phase, ensuring all geometric constraints were met before kinematic testing. The core functionality centers on a dual-axle drive system, providing maximum maneuverability in tight terrain. As demonstrated in this motion study, the hydraulic cylinders articulate the boom and bucket smoothly, proving the kinematic viability of our design under operational conditions. This exploded view animation details our assembly process. We prioritized modularity. The integration of the chassis, hydraulic actuators, and bucket was designed utilizing standardized fastening components to allow for efficient maintenance and real-world assembly. To validate the design, we performed static displacement analysis. Here you can see the stress results on the boom and bucket. By calculating our factor of safety, we ensured the stress concentrations remain well within the elastic limits of our selected materials under maximum load conditions. In conclusion, this project successfully bridges theoretical mechanics with practical CAD application. Thank you for reviewing our final submission.